Well, Jason, if there's one thing worse than going back to work after a long holiday weekend, it's doing so in rain and snow. That's exactly what we have on the plate for tomorrow.
Yeah, it's a quick hitting storm, but powerful. It's not going to be a long duration thing. It'll be over with by the time you wake up for some of us. Right now, it's all quiet. You're kind of sneaking back home from grandma's just before the storm gets here. Here it is, though, taking shape in the mid-Atlantic. Rain, snow, all that good stuff pushing north, and eventually this will consolidate and get stronger. So in Augusta tonight, heavy rain in the forecast. I don't expect a lot of snow there, 40 degrees, and the rain is going to be coming down in buckets as the wind picks up. Let's get right to it this evening. 7 o'clock, nothing reaching the ground. Anything precip-wise will evaporate, and then the atmosphere will moisten up by midnight. Rain in southern Maine, the southern coast getting it first, York County, and then here comes the yellows and the oranges, and I'm going to stop it at 7 o'clock in the morning. Look what has happened in that time. It is no longer raining in all of York County. It's done there. Same thing pretty much in Cumberland too. However, it is raining heavily up in the hills, the foothills, the lakes region, snowing heavily up in the county, the North Woods, the Boundary Plateau, and raining in the western mountains. I expect even Sugarloaf, or Carabasset Valley, definitely Sunday River, going to see rain out of this. You're going to see this push up north here, and by middle of the day, this is noon, it is raining up in the North Woods and in the county. It is done everywhere else. That storm is over pretty much by the time lunch rolls around tomorrow. Power outages along the immediate coastline down east right now. I'm going to say slight to moderate, kind of somewhere in between. Wind 35 to 60 miles an hour. Worst along the immediate coastline. Rain 1 to 2 inches there. Lightning will be low, but you got to watch out there. Here is the map. Break it down for you. I'll do snow first. 4 to 6 inches plus here up in the northern highlands, up towards the North Woods, the Boundary Plateau. 2 to 4 south of that, more towards the western mountains, the White Mountains of New Hampshire. Heavy rain everywhere else, pretty much an all-rain event. And then here's where the high wind, down east and the mid-coast. I'm concerned there. Coastal flooding, southern coast up to the mid-coast here, 996 millibar low-pressure system. Rainfall 1 to 2 inches here, foothills, heading up north, Augusta, up 95, Waterville. Half inch to an inch, Bangor, Rockland, Bar Harbor, and a lot less where you have obviously the snow going on, a quarter to a half inch north of that. The main story though here is going to be also the wind here. By 3 o'clock in the morning, wind gusts here. Watch the coast light up. 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts, Rockland, Bar Harbor, but it's a quick moving storm. This wind that's up in the sky that gets transported down to the ground level will be out of here by the middle of the day tomorrow. Still be a little bit breezy, but we're not going to have tropical storm force wind after about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. So headlines look like this. Rainfall about an inch plus for most of us, except where you get the snow around 3,000 feet up. Power outages, anytime you get wind around 35 to 60 mile per hour gusting. So a bumpy one, but a quick hitting storm tonight. Seas are going to build 7 to 10 feet. I could expect higher than that. More than 10 feet, especially around Bar Harbor. Gale warning is up, and there's a storm warning up off the coast down east. As we get into the day, Monday, though, really just a dramatic improvement. Tuesday and Wednesday, we cool down. 30s for highs, feeling a lot more like December, which is right around the corner. And then Friday, some rain very late, more towards if you're out late. And right now, I have taken the precip out of the upcoming weekend forecast, which I don't hear any complaints about that right now.
No, especially after what we're going to experience during tomorrow's morning commute. I think we will earn a nice little break this weekend. But a lot of good sunny days coming up, Jason.
Yeah, good stretches.
All right, we'll take it for now because we all know what Mother Nature brings.
Yes, sir.
All right, thanks, Jason.